Summer tub update, Friday, May 29th, 2026. Let's see, they were just out. I see one of them. A couple. Uh, Put out, last weekend I put out 7 Aphanius vladicovi, and they've been quite active and quite visible in the tub here. Which is nice. Always nice to see the fish that you put out. Yeah, as you can see, that was at least one male, and I think a female. I don't know. They're certainly cruising around. But yeah. Anyway, Aphanius vladicovi doing good. As we come over here, hopefully I don't scare them off. The pair of light golds doing well too, including the panda eye female. They just ducked back, and most of the plant, well, we'll have words about the plants here actually when we get to them, certain ones. The Kuro medakas also doing well. There's one right here hanging in the marsh marigold. And I believe there are others around too, just hanging out under stuff at the moment. Yeah, plants are doing good. The most of the water lettuce that I put out, it always looks a bit ratty when you first put it out. I think it gets sunburned a bit, and also if the weather, you get cold weather that it's not used to, it'll knock it back too. But this one looks like it's already starting to put off even more little side shoots, so that's nice. The tricolor tub, I just saw them. The tricolors are in here. Oh, there's one of them, a male right there. Oh yeah, there he is. You can see him. So that's the male with the, I think that's the male with a relatively large red blotch on the tail. I've seen him and the female hanging around. I don't know the other male, how he's doing. I haven't really seen him. But the Xanadeshia, the leaves have unfurled. And we got that new leaf. Yeah, this big guy, this new leaf's really coming up, and then looks like there's additional leaves that are starting to form. And this little marsh marigold is doing good. Moving over to the Valencia tub. This canna is starting to really have its bloom. Or not starting. The bloom's starting to open up, and then it's already thrown up a bunch of new shoots after I cut back the foliage. You haven't really seen the the Valencia, but that's not surprising. Now, some animals come and got in and pulled out a bunch of the creeping Jenny out of this pot, which is an issue. So I'm guessing it's a deer, but it might have been a bird. I don't know. Did the same thing with the little seedling marsh marigolds in this pot too. So I might actually go next week and buy some additional plants to replace those. Seems like the Yukihi medakas are doing really good. Might have lost one. I've only been seeing 4 of them, but yeah, they seem to be doing well. Obviously this tub cleared up. Actually, there's a Valencia right there. What is he doing? He's up at the surface. He don't look so good. I might have to pull him and bring him inside. He doesn't look like he's in good shape. If he's still up at the surface when I get done making this video, I'm gonna, ooh yeah, he does not look good. If he's still acting like that when I'm done making this video, I'm gonna go and pull him. Yeah, he doesn't look like he's in good shape. And actually I see now that I'm looking, there's another dead Valencia at the bottom here. Oh well. I'm kind of at that point where if I lose the Valencia, whatever. But yeah, all the tubs have pretty much cleared up, except for the next two. This one obviously is still in the process of cycling, and I haven't put any fish in it yet. And then Geo's tub's doing good. I don't see him out right now. And then this tub is still kind of murky, but it's clearing up. And I just saw, of course, oh, there he is. There's one of the marbled Hikaris. I haven't really seen him. This is the first time I've actually seen him since I put him in. Only seeing the one, but hopefully the other one's still in there. Otherwise, plants are doing good. And I should say with the Yukihi tub, which they're back out again. The Yukihis, I'm gonna go and put in additional water lettuce, because this water lettuce didn't take too well. It's the one tub the water lettuce kind of melted, so I'll just grab some more from the Valencia tank and put it in. Actually, I'm seeing here, yes, the canna is getting ready to, you can see there is a side shoot coming out, so pretty, give it a little bit and I'll go and clip that floopy shoot and let it regrow with good vegetation. Man, there's another cache clay. So there's looks like I don't know if that's a male or a female. There's an Aphanius mento that bit it. I have seen the Aphanius mento occasionally in here. Yeah, it's a bummer that we're getting some losses. It's going to be kind of a theme for this video, is just have had some, losses after putting stuff out. And I don't think I'm going to put any more fish out today because we're relatively cool weather this weekend, but I think I'm going to have to go and replenish some of these tubs. Not replenish fully because I think there's still fish in here, but throw in an extra male or female to some of these tubs next week for the ones that have lost individuals. Otherwise, the plants are doing good, though. I guess the water lettuce isn't doing super great in this tub, but you can see that it's starting to put on new growth. Some of them, at least, like that one. So I'm not super worried. Oh, that is a big diving beetle larva. He just went under the wood. Yeah, I haven't had time to fabricate the top for this tub, so the baby turtles are not out yet. Hopefully next week. Of course, the gold Hikaris, I'm seeing two of them. Last night, all three of them were in here. But I think they're doing fine. Certainly look like they're doing fine. Or have been. Yeah, I don't know where the third one is, but, it could just be under stuff. Unless I see a dead body, just not coming out and not seeing a fish doesn't mean it's out there. Doesn't mean it's out. What am I trying to say? Doesn't mean that they're not there. It can be that they just have, just are hiding out somewhere. The gold marbled medaka tub. Of course, they were now diving down. Seen at least 4 or 5 of them in here, and especially with the green water, which is clearing up a little bit, but not that much. Not surprised not to be seeing them, so I'm not worried about this tub, the fish in this tub, too much. Now, getting to the thing that is concerning to me. If you remember, I had put a bunch of Halloween's medakas in this tub, and they were quite visible, and for most of the week they were quite visible, and in the last couple days I haven't really seen them, and last night I went out and only saw 2, and obviously now we're not seeing any. So I think there might be losses. Yeah, so I'm going to have to replenish this tub. I just wonder if these losses, because you see, let me see if I can find an example of it. I think I just saw it with the, oh yeah, or no, there's just the 2 of them still. Let me see if it'll let us get close. You see on this Hikari medaka that there's like one of the ostracods clinging to it, that little lump on its side. That's an ostracod, and I've noticed the ostracods tend to do that to the fish when you put them in. And I wonder if that stresses the fish out, and then might be what's causing these early season losses. Of course, I didn't see a whole lot of that in this tub, though. So I don't know why I'm not, what happened with most of those Halloweens. But regardless, I'm gonna, well, put more out, and probably actually that tub next to the turtle tub is gonna get Halloweens too. Haven't hardly seen the white and blacks, but they do pop up every once in a while. I think they like to hang out at the bottom, but I saw them last night. And there's at least 3 or 4 of them still in here. I might throw in a couple more just to be sure that we've got a good breeding group going. But anyway, that's kind of the, oh, and they're actually, probably can't see it, but the Euphanies velaticovi are doing breeding activity next to that spawning mop over there. Let's see if we can quietly go and check them out. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it very well. They are, well, it's males displaying to each other, and then there's a, is that a female? Yeah, that's a female. So males displaying to a female by the spawning mop. Yeah, I don't know. Frustrating when you have these early season losses. But it's, you know, sometimes it just happens. But then you get, yeah, just can be frustrating. But then you have like, okay, I just only put a pair of these guys out, and, you know, knock on wood, keep your fingers crossed, but so far they're doing fine. So, I don't know. That's the thing about doing these summer tubs is, you know, I guess there's always something to keep it interesting, or at least always something that to keep you humble, probably a better way to put it. The summer tubs will keep you humble. Anyway, talk to you guys later. As an addendum, both of the marbled Hikaris are still in the tub, so we still got a pair. Here's hoping that that they breed out. So anyway, definitely a mixed bag today. Later. And why not have some bonus geo footage too? Yeah, beautiful European pond turtle. Yeah, just a awesome species. So, yeah. Actually, let me see if he'll let me lift this up and give you guys a better look at him. Yeah, he will. Yeah, so that's what he looks like without being, you know, in a grid. Yeah. Very nice animal. Definitely gotten a lot bolder in the last year. Much, much bolder. So, yep. Anyway, I will see you guys later.